Before we go any further, what we're going to do is the customary car wow sound check. And because these are plug-in hybrids, you do actually get an engine which you can rev. Let's see what happens. Ooh, we have some kind of like interesting sounds when you start the car. We do have a soft limiter at 4. It's all right. Quite a lot of that noise you're hearing inside the cabin is fake, but this is what it sounds like on the outside. In fact, let's have a listen myself, because it's so well insulated, this car. Ooh. Oh, now it's revving to 6. That's more like it. Go on, rev up the Audi.
This has got such a big soft limiter, the rev counter doesn't even go up. Isn't that amazing?
That's absolutely terrible.